Uy. Sorry. Oh. You're ready, mommy.
Saan ko ba? Hindi ko pa.
I can use some more.
Okay.
Oh, I need my whiter.
Dong.
Some more tuckers run out already. Then you're like a princess, mommy.
Okay. You put more. Meron pa pala madami pa. Get another brush.
For your eyes.
Dito mo bagay after this.
This one. It did went to your eyes.
Oh, it's my eyes closed. Thanks. I feel something drop on my face.
Oh, what did. Beautiful, will you? Look.
Yung, tapos na.
Diba?
Ay, ayun.
Nice. Maganda. Next.
Good. Ito na rin ano?
The brush, what is this for? Nose?
Oh, yes, nose. Like,
Ay.
ano tawag ba?
Powder for nose.
Ayun natin.
Nothing. Okay. That's okay. You look like Elsa.
There.
Yes, or Anna. I think you look like Anna today.
How can you say that it looks like Elsa?
Because you're white. No, because you...
Baka naman ghost
So,
ako.
hindi. Di pa tapos.
Get your lip balm and then you put your lip balm here.
Okay.
That's what you're, you know. Kasi sa ilalim dapat yan.
Okay.
Put ano, the notebook under.
Okay. I'm gonna bring this.
Na,
Oh,
only
no.
one. Bakit?
Only one. Because one can be something here. Except pliers. This is the lip balm. This is the lip balm. There we go. This is the lip balm. I'm gonna use this one. This blush.
Huwag yan.
Ito.
Hindi yan yung isa. Wala na ba?
You know.
Hindi, malaki yung masyado. Meron pa. Ito. Ano yan? Ano huwag yan? Wala akong pang lipstick.
It's okay. It's ano
Baka
lang.
bugudurutin na. Sa'yo yan eh.
It's okay mo yun ang pass.
Okay.